I made it into the at-home store. I have a feeling this witch looks really similar to the one in Home Depot, right? So they have their setup in, which is really cool as soon as you walk in. A few new items. You have the bat pumpkin. Don't hex my vibe, right? Don't do it. Spook on witches. That's different. This little guy is only $5. A few more. They have the cat is still around. Little cat candy dish. The roach pumpkin. So this pumpkin in the back with the ghost will be new. It's gonna light up. You got that cool little ghost man for $25. Oh my gosh. I forget the at-home store could be pretty pricey, but look how pretty that tree is, right? I see it every year. I know there's something really similar in Big Lots, you guys, but I like how it hangs like that. It's really, really neat. These are $5, like a lacy pumpkin. Candles and the witches, true love potion. I think this potion bottle is gonna be new. $17. Oh, what is this little guy? Oh, the little black cat. He's a cutie. Oh, this one is broken, but it looks like they have something called fortune cookies. You have the mummy, a dipping bowl with his eyeball. Put the grok in there. Guacamole for $20. And you know what? These are really cool. They do light up, but every time I come across one, they're broken. They're just breaking apart. That's just crazy. Scented room sachet. I can't smell it. Can you smell that? And the gargoyle, he's back. So if you really want a heavy gargoyle, head out to the Home Depot. They got the gargoyle and like a bird. That is like real cement. It is heavy. $10. I am loving this so much. I love how the bat looks like it just has poop on it, right? Like they're lying down, hanging, you know, they poop. I like that look. I love it. What is making that noise? The pumpkin. This one, right? $30. This is cute. All right, I'm so excited. Finally, we got like some kitchen decor. The little pumpkin for $13. These remind me of Cars Land. I don't know why.
They have the traffic cone.
Yeah. Then you have a little polka dot pumpkin for $10. The one with the top hat for $40. He's cute. I love his face right here.
It's melted.
He does look melted for $5.99. I may grab one. I'm trying to collect like little pumpkins. These are 10. Ooh, and the trees. Aren't those trees so cool for $10? So the mummy, he's out for $15. Another pumpkin, ghostly greetings. Now this skull down here with the rose, It is actually quite heavy for 25. I feel like for 25, this is it's worth it. Very worth it. More at the black and white pumpkin. I'm just here for the booze and basic witch. Isn't he so cute? Is this a candy jar? Yeah, candy or cookie. They have a small and large. $8 for this little guy. Let's find out how much the large one is. And the large is 10. And you know what? To match, you get the mug for 5. But be on the lookout in the 99-cent store. So in my last Halloween video, they had like a little mummy, a pumpkin, and a cat. So it looks like they still have the same yard signs. Do not enter. Oh my gosh, look at the eyeballs. How funny. Little eyeballs coming out of the bush. They do glow in the dark. This is gonna be new. It says boo. These are $2. Oh, it's a steak. You know what? I'm thinking about cutting that off for mailing purposes.
Yeah.
I thought that would be cool if we could just take that off and mail that. Okay, that's pretty neat as a gift. $13 for the candy corn. And then it looks like they have one ghost. These are $4. So cute. I wish they would light up and make noise though. And this one's gonna be 10. Does it do anything? No.
They're all just like these.
Charlie Brown ghost, I call it. Look at the hook. Those are $5. Oh, if you want a little bag of baby body parts, $5. But you know, if you do have children and they're outgrown, take an old doll and do it yourself. It's free. Your bats, your doggy, a little bag of skulls, and your pumpkin. So I just found this randomly. You know, this would look really nice if it was like actually an iron gate. I know they have one here, but look you guys, Halloween, I wonder if they moved it. It's still in the at-home store in my location. It's coming in really slow. Yep, that looks like fall. Oops, sorry. Oh no, it says Halloween signs. And look, Christmas is down here. You know what? I honestly thought it would be filled in already. But you know, I understand the times. I get it. They have a Reaper. The skull's gonna change colors. I don't know if it makes any noise like the pumpkin. And the large guy is 100. Oh, he's busted. The gargoyles, they're back. The dragon is here. Wicked. The little gnome. Oh yeah. This guy is $250. That is kind of crazy because they do have a Reaper in Home Depot and I think it's a tad cheaper.
Maggie's 200. Yeah, the Home Depot one's really nice.
I know. This is new. I just spotted this out of the corner. Give me a second here. Has the moon and the star. This one's going to be $25. You know what? I think a lot of people bought Halloween because in my previous at-home store video, there was quite more. I can't find it anymore. Wow, I've never seen the at-home store kind of sell out like that. Normally the at-home store takes a while because they are pretty pricey. Here is a shelf This used to have the little haunted house with little monsters in it. We had pumpkins. We had a wreath. Apparently it might be sold out unless they're, I mean, it looks like just a pumpkin here. Like that
Yeah,
is
that's a
so
really empty
crazy, you guys. It's crazy for me. I've never seen it like this here ever. Ever. Wow. I guess if you're having at home store, you might want to keep checking it out. I mean, I've been waiting like weeks, you know, just to give it time, but never ever again have I seen the shelves be clear like that. And it looks like they pushed it all towards the front, but that is everything. That is so crazy to me.
I hope it's a crazy Halloween this year. I hope tons of people are decorating that.
I would love to see tons of people decorate. I mean, my area, a lot of people used to decorate. No. Guys, that is gonna do it for my little update here in my at-home store location. Have you guys been finding items that you're looking for in the at-home store? Is your at-home store filled in already? If so, let me know. Let me know, because you know I'm in Arizona. Like, what state has the most? I kind of feel like it's mainly in like Florida or Cali, I'm noticing, because a lot of the states were closed down last year, and we've been completely open. So I feel like the stores with the most is from last year, you know, they had to move it. I don't know.
Stuff that was in storage.
Yeah. All right, you guys, so please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.